Hello everyone, it is 17th May, 4 pm right now. My final exams for this semester here in BITS have finished, and tomorrow I'll be traveling home for the summer break. Hopefully, I can pack all my stuff on time because tomorrow 7 am I have a bus from here to Delhi airport. My room is currently an absolute mess. It is very chaotic. Alright, guys, I'll be leaving my room finally, and then I'll be going to the main gate for the bus to the Delhi airport. See you. The bus will leave in 5 minutes, and now I'm gonna board the bus. Hi, guys. I know I look fabulous. Thank you. The bus just left right now. Hopefully by 12 to 12:30, we should be at Delhi airport. See you soon. This is the highway. And a nice cow there. Small cow. Not small, but whatever. That's the road right there. Our buses. This is where we have stopped for breakfast or something, delayed breakfast for brunch. The definition of middle of nowhere. It is 12:30 exactly, approaching the airport. My friends here just arrived at Delhi airport, T3 parking lot. Guys, I have arrived at T2. It's extremely hot outside. Now going into this, whatever this is, Airport Express line. I love the AC. It feels extremely rewarding and relaxing. Having food at Haldiram's. My camera can't see that properly. Yup, my food is kept right there. One rajma rice. Looks delicious. Rice right now. Here's my opinion. It's filling, tasty, and especially the whole matka thing with it is pretty good. Is it worth 200 rupees? No. Had it costed 150, I would have gone for it. If you have no other option, yes, take it. T1 looks very majestic. I am going through Vidyatra for the first time. Guys, I have just finished the security check-in. My backpack was flagged for extra checking because my pencil box was in that, which had a compass needle. So that was an issue. Yeah, it was poor planning on my part as well, a bit. But the police officer there was very chill. He understood that I'm a student. So yeah, thank you, sir. And now I'm heading towards the lounge. I'm always amazed how grand the Delhi airport is. This is just T1. It's a lot of work traveling alone as a student for so long, such long distances. Alright guys, I am extremely tired. I have been carrying my 7 kg backpack for the past 3 hours on my back without sitting. Oh my god, I can't even get up right now. Flight is at 7:40. Right now it's 4:20. So I still have good time. Currently in the lounge, got lounge access. This is the Encom lounge of Delhi airport. Looks very scenic, honestly. Some chapati, paneer, firni, and peri peri dressing. Guys, the flight has been delayed to 8:40. I was supposed to leave by 7:20. 1 hour 20 minutes delay. Spiced it. So my legs are hurting, my back is hurting, my body is hurting. Let's take a walk, shall we? Flight information. I am just walking aimlessly, frustrated. Not because of the 1 hour 20-minute delay, that's fine, I've faced worse before, especially during the Indigo crisis last year, November, December. But it's because of the weather, the Delhi weather. I travel from Pilani to Delhi in that horrible heat. I'm sweating and I can't do anything about it. Guys, the time right now is 8:33. The flight has been delayed to 10 p.m. Supposed to leave at 7:20, now 10. 2 hour 40-minute delay. It was bad. It's very unexpected and very inconvenient for us passengers. Hopefully now it's not cancelled and hopefully at least by 10 it leaves. Hopefully, I really don't know now. Guys, it is 9 p.m. By 10 p.m. my flight should depart. So by around 9:15, 9:20 I'll leave from the lounge. I'm currently having food right now, dinner, since I have no option. And yeah, let's carry on. Food is really good though. Masterclass. Same thing as lunch, chapati, paneer sabji and a muffin. Similar. Yes, it is 9:15 or something. I have finally left the lounge. If the flight is delayed further after this, because I can't re-enter the lounge now, that will be interesting. I would be in deep trouble. But hopefully it should depart by 10 and it's on time, at least now. Gate 23, here I come. Guys, I am at gate 23. Fine. Now that I'm finally going home, after 5 months, one entire semester I spent in Pilani, I feel like Hamza Ali Mazari going back home in Dhurandhar 2, the ending, with the song Fir Se playing in the background. You know. Guys, I have no words to say right now. I am frustrated, angry, super angry, and I don't know what to say. They are saying that flight will take off at 10:40. So that would be a 3 hour 20-minute delay, and that's the best case right now. There could be a delay even more than that. I don't want to say anything controversial, so I will not say anything more. But I'm very unhappy. All of us are very unhappy. Boarding starts. I have finally boarded after 3.5 hour delay. Feels like 3.5 years. Time is 10:40 right now, so I should land in Bangalore by 1:40ish. Guys, I've just arrived outside the airport, heading towards the flybus area for Mysore. Guys, it is 2:48 a.m. right now. I have sat in the flybus. Hopefully by around 6:45 to 7 a.m. I should land. I should be at the Mysore bus stand. The time right now is 6:15 a.m. and I have finally arrived at the Mysore bus stand. Yet to go home. Like from Mysore bus stand to my home, it's like a half an hour journey at max. So yeah, by 7 I'll be back home.